In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the exact navigation you'll use in the app so your new group can work smoothly with your automations. Even if you're just getting started, follow along and I'll point out what to look for on each screen and why it matters. Begin by signing into your Mailerlite account and heading straight to the dashboard. This is your control center. Take a quick look around to make sure you're in the correct workspace and that everything has loaded properly. From here, you can access all the tools you need, but today we're focusing on the path that gets your group ready to plug into automated emails and onboarding flows. Next, open the Automations area. You'll typically find it in the main navigation. Automations are the engine behind timed sequences, welcome emails, and behavior-based follow-ups. Groups often serve as the audience filters and triggers for these workflows, so being comfortable inside automations is essential. If your screen shows tabs like drafts or active workflows, that's normal. You can work safely in a draft while you're setting things up. Now, choose the automation that will reference your group and click Edit. Pick a workflow that makes sense for how you plan to use the group, such as a welcome series or a targeted follow-up. When you enter the editor, you'll see the building blocks of your sequence, including triggers, delays, and emails. This is where groups typically come into play as the audience criteria or as part of a trigger. Even if you're not changing the structure right now, opening the editor helps you confirm where your group will connect later and ensures the workflow context is correct. A good practice before making any big changes is to confirm the workflow is paused or in draft so you don't accidentally affect live subscribers. Finally, click Save. This locks in any adjustments you've reviewed or prepared in the editor and ensures your automation is ready for the group you'll use. Always look for confirmation that your changes have been saved successfully before you navigate away. If you see any warnings or unsaved indicators, resolve those first so nothing gets lost. That's it. By going to the dashboard, opening automations, selecting the right workflow, and saving, you've set the groundwork for your group to function properly within Mailerlite's automation system. When you're ready to connect the group in your workflow, you'll already be in the right place and everything will be aligned for a clean, reliable setup.